So I am at the Marriott Phuket Vacation Club, and this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a nice foyer. This is a drawing room, a small kitchen with all the utility, a dining table, and a message from the reception. And this is overview to garden. We are on the 3rd floor, and on the ground floor they have a small swimming pool as well. So this is very spacious with this 55-inch TV, sitting arrangement, and this is the master bedroom. Safe is there. Bathrobe, extra pillow, slippers, house slippers. It's a king size bed. There's a big gallery outside. Wow, this is the highlight of the room. It's a jacuzzi, bathtub. It's almost the full size of room with separate shower room, the big shower room, then 2 basins, separate basins, and toilet is separate. So this is where you can relax. They are keeping a water bottle. Whatever you want, you can ask the housekeeping. Ice bucket, and there is a ice machine at the 2nd floor. Some drawers, refrigerator, the chimney, microwave, toaster, kettle, and the guest house, induction guest house, coffee machine. All the crockeries are here in the full stock. There is a cooker also, mixer, grinder, and this is a rice cooker. So fully equipped kitchen is there, so even if you don't want to go outside, you can relax here. And there is a second bedroom, two separate beds, so children can stay here. So there's the outside gallery. And there is a separate bathroom with a bathtub. And this room is open in the bedroom, and this door is open to outside, which is a common area where is the foyer and outside. So from here you can directly access to this common bathroom. And this is the first bedroom, and there is facility of washing machine and dryer. So very nice property. Again, so from start it's a mirror, and then first bedroom. This is a dual access of bathroom. The big drawing room, kitchen, first bedroom, master bedroom. And the gallery, the big gallery. So this is what at the ground floor, a small swimming pool. It's like a big bathtub. This is how they look like from outside. This is the old style of keeping the roof. And of course the old style of fan.